If you made a purchase on Roblox using your phone and want to request a refund, here's what you need to know. First, Roblox doesn't usually offer refunds for in game purchases like Robux or items, especially if they've already been used. But don't worry, there are still a few things you can try. If the purchase was accidental or unauthorized, your best option is to request a refund through the platform you used to pay. For iPhone users, this means going through your Apple account. Open your browser and go to Apple's refund page. Then sign in with your Apple ID. Find the Roblox purchase, select it, and select a reason like accidental purchase or unauthorized transaction. Then submit your request and wait for Apple's response. If you're on Android, you can do a similar process through the Google Play Store. Go to your purchase history, find the transaction, and request a refund directly from there. You can also contact Roblox support through their website, submit a ticket, explain your situation clearly, and include details like the date, amount, and receipt of the purchase. Just remember, refunds are not guaranteed, but you have a higher chance if you act quickly and haven't used the purchase yet. And that's it. That's how you can request a refund on Roblox Mobile.